What's up, guys? It's Girl back at you again with another video. There's something on my camera that I don't like.
I didn't even know he had those.
But so let's get. I'm doing slime pet peeves. No, not slime pet peeves. I'm doing life of a Play-Doh and slime scammer. So yeah, let's get started and on with the video. Come on. Before we get on with the video, gotta get something.
What?
Whoop. Okay, now let's get on with the video. Guys! My camera's not set up. But guys, I just got a slime order. So I just copied it down. For the Play-Doh, she wants red. I don't know if I had red. I don't know. There's red down there, and that's a pink. Yellow, green, white, red. Okay. We want that one. Stop. I got this, but the thing is,
I only have to do 11 pages.
it's like putty. Solid, straight putty. And she thinks it's going to be full. It's only that much. That was funny. Next Play-Doh is white, guys. Green and yellow. Okay, that's all. That's all my Play-Dohs. I have more like blue and purple, but I didn't put those up for sale. Now these are all really good ones. So I think
scrolling across the top of the screen.
I'm only going to be giving her.
Washington, Nebraska.
I don't know how many, but I'm giving white. This not red. Maybe this yellow. Yeah, definitely this yellow. This green one, definitely, because look, I can't dig into it. So, yeah. That's all for the Play-Doh slime. A medium green. I don't know if I have any. Okay, guys, I'll show you what I got. But for the green, this is a medium container. Maybe that's what she thinks. And it's not green, it's actually red. It's not even slime, it's Play-Doh. Let me scan for 2 things. It's like a really good Play-Doh too. I tried turning it into slime, but then I got something, and they said, I want red Play-Doh. Yeah. And next is a big pink. I don't have a pink. I don't have a big pink. I have a big like gray/purple. Get that out. It's like a really good slime. I don't want to give it away. It's such a good slime. Such a good slime.
No.
I love it, but it's sticky, so I'm definitely going to give that away to somebody. Too sticky for me to have here.
No.
A big yellow. Okay. Big yellow. I always have this. It's like a tan with colors in it. This one's really sticky too. And it's like hard. I just remembered that like right once I opened it. It barely stretches and then it breaks. So she's definitely going to be scammed on all. The beads, otherwise beads, if it was still sun, the beads would dye it. Still giving that to her, even if she finds out a way how to make it. Play-Doh. Alright. Next one is a big clear. I don't have a big clear.
Hey!
Whoa. It's like a purple. Definitely not
Really?
clear.
Get up there. That's bad.
This one's like really,
For
really
real?
good. Maybe I'll tell her it's coming in a clear container and I'll lie.
Leave me alone.
Hush, little baby.
I don't know what happened. You tell me what happened.
I'm definitely not
break it?
giving that to her. Definitely most likely to not.
That's Autumn. Autumn, your thing broke.
What?
Your cross thing.
Alright, get up here, sit down.